I'm Keegan, the Balanced Nomad, and today I'm going to be taking you through a gentle seated yoga practice. No props are required, very beginner friendly, just a super gentle, calming class today. So starting just in a cross-legged position, we're just going to take 3 breaths to ground ourselves in our body here. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. 2 more, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Last one, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. You can blink open eyes if they were closed here. We're going to find a seated cat and cow here. So bringing chest forward, shoulders back, looking up, exhaling, rounding through the spine, bringing chin to chest, inhaling forward, and exhaling down. Inhaling forward, and exhaling down. And coming back to seated here, we're going to find a few shoulder rolls. So first, moving backwards, really big circles. And moving in the opposite direction, bringing shoulders forward and back. Just finding really big movement here. And relax, we're gonna find some twists, inhaling up. Twisting over to the right, left hand goes to top of right shoulder. Inhaling up. And exhaling over to the left side. Just moving to the rhythm of your own breath here. And you can come to center. We're gonna find a diamond shape with the legs here. So the closer feet are in towards, you'll feel this a little bit more intensely. So just choosing where you wanna be today. First, inhaling arms forward, and we're gonna find a fold here, really folding from the hips, not just bending over with the spines, but you wanna really feel this. So inhaling to a nice long spine, and an exhale brings you down, and bringing palms to mat, trying to maintain that straight back. And releasing the straight back, we can bring head down, maybe walking fingertips a little bit further forward. And walking hands in toward the feet, moving the feet a little bit closer, and we can just find a little butterfly pulse here. And once again, finding a cross-legged position, just moving into some side bends. So inhaling nice and tall, and exhaling over to the right side, either keeping palm up, or if you have the space available, bringing the elbow down. Inhaling up, exhaling down to the left side, either on elbow or palm. Inhaling up, and exhaling to the right. Trying to keep both of the sit bones planted onto the mat. Trying to isolate the upper body with this motion. And coming back to center, we can extend the legs out, finding a straddle position from here. Just moving as far as you can with the legs open and extending overhead, nice long spine. And again, bending forward, trying to find the arch from the hips, bringing hands, fingertips, palms to mat, whatever works. Trying to maintain this flat back for a few breaths. And coming back to center, we can extend the legs out, finding a straddle position from here. Just moving as far as you can with the legs open and extending overhead, nice long spine. And again, bending forward, trying to find the arch from the hips, bringing hands, fingertips, palms to mat, whatever works. Trying to maintain this flat back for a few breaths. And we can bring a bend into the spine, trying to walk a little bit further with the hands, and we can drop the head. And walking ourselves back up, finding some side bends with the legs out, extending overhead. Bringing hand either to shin, ankle, or left big toe. Keeping the chest nice and open, pointing towards the sky. Gaze is upwards. Finding a few breaths on this side. Seeing if on the exhales you can move a little bit deeper into the pose. Inhaling back to center. And exhaling, we move to the other side. So grabbing onto shin, ankle, or right big toes. Bending, keeping chest pointing forwards and gaze above. Seeing if we can move deeper on the exhales. And moving back to center, just turning on our mat here, bringing legs straight out in front of us. We can bend the right knee in towards the chest, extending right arm above us, hooking the elbow onto the knee and looking over the left side. And twisting the opposite way, extending upwards and hooking the left arm, looking over the right shoulder. Releasing, finding both of these twists on the opposite side. Left leg in towards you, extending left arm, linking it on the left and looking over the right shoulder. Inhaling straight spine, hooking right arm and looking over the left shoulder. Releasing here. Coming back to seated, just a little chest opener. We're gonna find eagle arms. So first taking right arm underneath the left, twisting arms maybe once or twice. Hands upwards, away from the face, elbows down. Trying to imagine we're bringing the shoulders down as well. And gaze is upwards towards the hands. Releasing, giving a little shake out with the arms, and moving to the opposite side. Left arm underneath the right, twisting once or twice, elbows down, hands away from the face, and shoulders down. Gaze towards the fingertips. Releasing, giving a little bit of a shake out, and coming back to seated. Well, we were sitting the whole time. We're gonna close out practice from here, bringing hands towards the chest. We bow forward. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick yoga practice. I make lots of short yoga classes, so be sure to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss another class, and I hope to practice with you soon.